Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making smash burgers. And even though it's fall right now and pumpkin spice everything is the flavor of the day, I couldn't resist making a burger. This is something that I have been wanting to do for a very long time, and the fact that it's finally happening is just amazing. I like to start with the dough because you want to let that rest and get all nice and smooth before you start smashing out your burgers. So in a large bowl, combine the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Using the flat side of a spatula or a burger press, smash down the patties to make them thin and crispy. It's definitely a fun family activity. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Cook the burgers for 3 to 4 minutes per side or until they're done to your liking. Because we almost at 100,000 followers, and I would love to reach that by the end of the year. So if you could just take a second and follow us, that would be amazing. Thank you so much. Place the cooked burger patties on the buns and add in your favorite toppings and enjoy. Then using a pastry blender or your fingers, cut in the butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly add in the water, mixing until a ball forms. If the dough is too sticky, add in a little bit more flour. 1 tablespoon at a time until it's not sticking anymore. Once you have even pieces, roll them out into balls and then flatten them into discs. Wrap them up in plastic wrap and then refrigerate them while you prepare the grill. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 a cup of cold butter cut into small pieces. For the burger patties, you will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 a cup of water, and 1/4 a cup of pickle relish. For the toppings, we'll list them in the description box below, because I did a lot and you can put whatever you want on your burger. So let's get started. For the dough, you will need 3 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. All right, so first things first. Now, while the dough is chilling, go ahead and form your burger patties. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef and the water and mix it together gently. Add in the pickle relish and mix it all together. Once it's all combined, roll it out into a sheet and then cut it up into 6 equal pieces. Now, if you want larger burgers, then don't cut them up and just make them bigger. But I'm making these for my family and their little burgers, so I'm cutting them up. Once you have even pieces, roll them out into balls and then flatten them out into discs. Once the grill is heated, lightly oil it and then place the burger patties on the grill. Now, here's the fun part. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you make these smash burgers because they are so delicious and they so fun to make. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on social media.